Now lady is going to rotate counterclockwise in front of the man to get into the dip. Start with the left leg and take 3 steps. Left, right, left. You're still on the man's right side, so the last step is very small, practically in one place. Again, left, right, left. From that point, one more step with the right leg between the legs of the man and rotate on the right leg to end up with your right side to the partner. Now go into the dip by bending your right knee, left leg is straight, tilt your upper body backward. Now the man's perspective, while leading the lady into the dip, focus on not pulling her onto you, but rather leading her in front of you. Gently pull with the hand, right elbow goes backward, that initiates the lady's spin. At the same time, shift your body weight to the right leg, place your hands on the lady's waist. With the lady's last step, you're going to shift your body weight to the left leg at the same time, bend your left knee to go into the pose, rotate slightly counterclockwise. Again, avoid leaning over the lady, rather shift your body weight to the left leg, bend your left knee and straighten your arms slightly, leading the lady into the pose. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.